Hi everyone, Sahil here today. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the concepts of enums and the C and C++ programming language. Enums is just a short word for the word enumerations. Unfortunately, today in this video, I won't be showing my face as I feel like explaining the concepts of enumerations is better done via PowerPoint slides. So I apologize for not sharing my face in today's video. So let's get into the video right now. So, enums in C++ are also known as enumerations, which is a data type which consists of data where every single possible value is defined as a constant. When you are declaring an enum identifier, as you can see in this example here, they are often named with a capital letter and the values inside are all declared with capital letters. Each enum is automatically assigned an integer value based on its position in the enumeration list. So by default, as you can see in this example here, the first enum is assigned the integer value 0, and then the next value will have a value of 1. So as we look at this example here of declaring an enum of a rainbow, color red starts with the value of 0. The color orange starts with the value of 1, color yellow has a value of 2, green has a value of 3, blue has a value of 4, indigo has a value of 5, and violet has assigned the value of number 6. So if we were to print out what the value of color yellow was from the enum was, it would say that the value is 2. As I'll show you here in this example of the printout here. So when we're declaring an enumeration, it is also possible to specify a specific value for every constant in the enumeration declaration. So going back to this example here where we have declared a rainbow again, what we've done here is that for the values inside the enumeration here, so we have red, orange, yellow, and green, we're also able to define what the value is for each constant defined. So if we were to run, so since we've got color yellow here being printed out here, if we were to run this line here, it would print out the value of 30, which I've got here in my example here, as it's printing out the value of 30 in the example. So to recap, in this short lesson today, the best time to declare enums is when we're declaring a set of related identifiers like an enum of car models, books, or cards. And a real life example that I can give you guys of declaring an enum project was a display project that I worked on where I had to implement the buttons on a display that had a menu button, an enter button, and an up and down button. The advantage of using enums by declaring those buttons with inside with menu, enter, up and down, is that for each button that was declared, each value was a constant. So that was the best reason why enums was the best choice to declare each button being used. So I hope that made a lot of sense in the short lesson of what enums are, and that I've simplified it and explained it well of what enums are and how you can apply enums in your programming projects. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you got a lot out of the video, and if you did, smash up that thumbs up button down below, and please click on that red button below to subscribe for the latest videos of the C++ Better Explained YouTube channel. Attention computer science, IT and engineering students. Have you been trying to learn C++ but have been struggling to put the pieces together? My name is Sahil, and I'm the founder and the writer of C++ Better Explained. What I'm offering you guys today is my 87-page book that outlines how to quickly and easily master the fundamentals of the C++ programming language. So if you've been searching around for free resources that haven't made any sense at all, or free YouTube videos that have made you want to gouge your eyes out, my book will put all of that to rest today, because my book is written in a straightforward and direct manner that will get you learning and understanding the fundamentals of C++ within a matter of days. The book is just $27, So what I want you guys to do is to click on the button below and pick up a copy today. You will not regret this at all, and it also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not happy with the book at all.